never-ending story. I need to do a parked regen because it detected poor DEF quality, which is not true because I only use blue DEF, which is very expensive, and I don't use DEF at the pump, so it's never having a chance to get crystallized and put crap in my tank. So it's going to derate. Let's see how long. But now it's not saying. So look at the soot level is higher than the norm, so it needs a regen done. But I need to get to my delivery, and now I'm going to be delayed until the regen is done, which takes about 45 plus minutes each time, and I hope it does it with once. My truck is going to start to derate in 48 minutes. It takes me 20 something more to get to where I gotta go. I'll check and see if I get off. I'll do a regen. Now it says 36 minutes. It's going to start to derate, so I just stopped at a Speedway. And let's see if it starts. After treatment, request parked regen. It started. And now it's going to do this loud ass noise for 45 plus minutes. I am so sick and tired of this freaking truck. Now it's saying another message, and I've already started my DEF cleaning. So I did the regen, I'm doing it, it's in the middle of it, and it gives me this new message that it's going to start driving 5 miles per hour in 180 minutes. But it hasn't even completed the session, the first one of the first regen yet. Sometimes I have to do it 2 to 3 times. Now it's telling me 165 minutes. I don't understand. It's going down 15 minutes, giving me less time to drive. I've been here an hour already. It's never taken this long. Well, actually once it did take this long. And I'm only 16 minutes away from my delivery. If worse came to worse, there's all these trucks here. Anybody who doesn't look like they got a load or reefer running, up and offer them my load just to make sure I get it to its destination. It stopped regenerating, but it says I have 165 minutes left. I called up the receiver. I told them I'm 60 minutes away. I'm going to try and just drive there, but they need to unload me quickly. So she said, hurry up and get there. Sometimes it clears itself. Let's see. I only drove a minute and it already went down 15 minutes. It's going to derate in 150 minutes. Anxiety is up there. Oh, I just need to get to the delivery, that's all. Just got off the exit. I'm going to be getting there at 1:24 in 5 minutes. And it still says it's going to derate in 150 minutes. But that's going to change soon to 15 minutes less. I cannot stop this truck and get out of it. I hope they understand at the guard shack. Because if I do, it's going to stop right there and start to regenerate and block traffic. Okay, I finally made it to the right entrance. I went to the wrong entrance because they gave me the wrong address. I got 4 trucks in front of me. I told them, please hurry up. My truck is going to stop working and it's going to block traffic. Oh, the anxiety. Now down to 120 minutes, but I made it to the receiver. Not in the door yet, but about to get there. I told them, please put me in the door right away, so they told me to get into a door. I have another load to do it. Okay, I so made it just like last second into the door and started the Regen. I'm gonna go to the receiving office now. It took 3 times. No, I'm not trying to do that. Status. Oh, look how clean. Thank God. Oh my God, I'm so tired. I just want to sleep. 9:30 in the morning, they let me sleep. I'm so excited they let me sleep at the dock. I'm gonna add my def and hopefully we'll be on our way to the next pickup. Good morning. I just want to tell you guys that this stuff, Blue Def, is the better way to go than that shit that is in the gas station, because I have it in my truck and it's not going to get crystallized and then mess up the DPF and the DEF filter system. I know you probably think it's expensive. Yes, because they sell it for a lot of money in the gas station, like $30. But I pay $16 and change for each container at Lowe's. So just go to Lowe's and buy it there. I buy 10 at a time. I put in 4 and I stack 6 inside my truck. So it took 3 regens yesterday, and when I was finally at the dock, the last regen, it said it's going to derate in 60 minutes. If it was not going to go as planned, I would have stopped the regen and I would have gone underneath my truck and removed the speed sensor. I have a video for that. I'll share it with you guys. Keep watching. Let's start this baby up. Low air pressure because it's cold. The air deflated. Gotta wait for that to go up. Let's help it. The light is off for the DEF in the corner. I'm the only one here.